Hi everybody, this is Sharon McDermott, licensed acupuncturist and board-certified Chinese herbologist, and also a birth doula. Today I want to share with you some points that have to do with lung energy. So people who have difficulty with breathing, whether it's shortness of breath due to asthma, COPD, chronic bronchitis, also people who have anxiety. So these points are very useful for helping with our lungs to function better. And today I'm also using some really great cards that we use when we're learning the points. So I thought they would be useful for you to see in illustration where they're located. So the first point that I'm going to start with today is up on the chest area. So the area where it's located is actually right under the collarbone and below it about 2 inches. That's lung 1, Zong Fu. So we have a picture here. I hope you all can see that. All right, so you see where the collarbone is, and then you come down with like 2 finger breaths, we call it, or about 2 inches. And that is used very well. First of all, one way we use that is for diagnosing if there's an issue. If it's very tender in there, the lung energy is low, and if it presses way in, it means it's deficient. If it's full, it means it's up on the surface and very puffy. So I usually use this point along with another point on the chest closer to the center of the body, and that's going to be 2 finger breaths away from the center, and that's kidney 27, which is also called Shu Fu. So that one again is under the collarbone, but it's closer to your midline, so you see where it is there. Okay, again, these points help with stopping cough, shortness of breath. It helps with the phlegm to decrease. So I use these quite a bit. Of course, I would be doing both sides of the body. The next point that is closer to that area on the chest is lower down between the breast area, which is Ren 17. This point can be used for many things. It can be used for anxiety. These points up here also can be. And Ren 17, which is Shanzang, opens up the chest, helps the lungs breathe, help you to breathe easier, and also to decrease anxiety when you're feeling that chest compression. So that one, we have a nice picture here, right? Just about where the nipples are in the midline area. You have to kind of feel for it. It's different, a little bit location on different people, but you'll definitely feel it. It feels a little funny or a little sore. And the last one is what we call more of a distal point, which is on the hand, and that's lung 9. Lung 9 can be found on the inner thumb side. So here's our thumb coming down at the wrist crease, and there's a bone here, piriformis bone, and then you come into that over the tendon. So right up there. So again, a nice picture for that. You can see a little bit better. And that one is called Tai Yuan. So again, we use this point for helping with phlegm production. It actually tonifies or helps build up the lung energy. It also helps to promote movement downward in the lungs, as do some of these other points. So I hope you will use these points whenever you are having issues with breathing, the lungs, you want to be less anxious, you can use all these points. You can also find me at www.healthyhealingli.com. Have a great day. Bye-bye.